George Packard Family Lawn and Landscape, and today I'm going to take you on another exciting landscaping adventure. This one involves building a deck down by the lake and the steps going up. I wish I had my shirt off for this. And today we're going to do this job on the lake, which is over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take that lumber, which is right here, and we're going to try and get it up that hill, which is up there. Now it's not over here or over there, it's over here. So what we need to do in order to get that up on top of that hill is take this wood right here, physically carry it to that boat right there, over there, over there. And once we get it on the boat, then we're going to take it and go over by the house, which is over there, up the hill. So follow along as I load some of these boards over onto the water to go up the hill. Green treated, freshly green treated. You can see just how heavy they are by the way my pipes flex. Mere mortal man would have had to have two guys put that in there, but me, I need not. One man. It's a one-man operation. The only way to get our materials to this spot, I feel like I'm working in Alaska or something, where everything has to be flown in or boated in or something. Okay, we are ready to take off. Jeremiah, push the boat into the water. Push harder. Much harder. And get ready and to jump into the boat. Oh, a wet foot, but he's into the boat. This is the only chance I get to get in my boat, by the way.
Or work related.
It's work related, yeah. There you go. I give it a knee. There you go. Ruh-roh, Shaggy. All right. Now, just so you know, whichever way that little pointed spot is on there, that's the direction you're going to go.
Is there a power button?
Yeah, it's working. Just press the button. It's right in the center of that thing.
Oh, I need to turn it.
Yeah, there you go, left or right with your foot. Oh, Shaggy. What has happened?
No power.
Serious? We're gonna have to use one of these things as a frickin' oar. How can that be? I just used it. Okay, the switch. The switch must have got bumped. We don't know where exactly our place is. We know it's somewhere up in them hills. And it comes down to an aluminum dock.
L-shaped dock.
What shaped? L-shaped?
L-shaped.
L-shaped. I would think by the way we drove in,
It's down to, because we came in Loop Road before Highland.
right. Holy crap, this thing winds right around in here. Pretty nice. You know, it almost looks like a fishing show. It could pass for a fishing show if we were actually fishing. But unfortunately for us, it's work, work, work.
Are you kidding? It's a controller to my new video game.
I was just going to say, you can tell he's a gamer. Instead of a fisherman, which would use his foot, Jeremiah uses his hands.
Things that make you go, And I think we're going to be over here.
Yeah, you know what? I think I'm going to fish. Hey, there's a dog. What's up, Pooch? Where is he? There he is. In the shadows. Hiding in the bushes, wearing nothing but a chicken mask. All right, rounding the bend. Doesn't it feel like we're in Alaska or something where the only way to get your food and stuff is just to fly it in or whatever? Hello, dog. What you eyeballing me for, dog? Sneaky. Sneaky dog. You'll see once we get up in here just exactly why we have to bring everything in by boat. Look at this beautiful lake though. This is Wisconsin. The trees are just starting to turn colors. If you can see that somewhat. It's going to get really beautiful here in the next month. And it is, what is it? September 1st today. That is our dock. That's totally our dock. We should go towards the dock. Like towards the dock. There you go. Stir up that water.
I was trying to put us parallel.
Parallel.
With the dock.
Gotcha, dog. Gotcha. All right. Okay. If you bring us up there, and we'll tie us off anywhere, and we're good to go. We'll just start hauling. Fudge. God damn it. Look at the fucking scratch that thing put in there. Son of a bitch. Right off the bat. God damn it. The one time I get my boat out.
Employees.
Ugh. All right. I got to get to work. We're going to go up and show them exactly what we're dealing with here. So, in there is where we're supposed to put this deck. Up here is why we can't bring everything up and down these steps, because we'd be here forever. That goes, I'm going to just go all the way up and show you. Well, not all the way up, because I'd have to stop and use my inhaler. Already out of breath. And that goes all the way to the top of that hill. All the way up there. So instead of me carrying every board all that way, and down here, we got to stain all these boards too. But now, I'll show you the area we have to work in. And that's over there. And here we have to, believe it or not, build a deck 16 feet by 16 feet. You guys can see it. That is our area to work in. So, we got some rocks to move, some trees to cut, some base to put in, and get going on our deck.
Heading back to get another load of wood.
Or fishing with George. Today, I'm using this 1/4 ounce spinnerbait with the next cast I have to show you how bad things are. This is going to fall off because my rubber band broke, so my skirting will be gone. So I'm going to make the most of this cast because I really need to catch a fish, because I haven't been able to fish all year. For it. Really feel like this is the one.
Well, now we're loaded up again for our second trip. And we're going to try and do this without getting wet this time.
Right. And I'll watch closely because he's not very good at this. Looks easy from here. There we go. There we go. Ooh, look at that one. Hello, Jeremiah.
Well, hello, George.
What are we up to now?
We are going for our third and hopefully final trip to this exhausting adventure.
Right.
And by exhausting, I mean exhausting.
He's tired. Well, he's showing off. He's carrying 2 boards where I'm carrying 1. So, we started out, we had 2 windshields. Now we have 1.5. I don't know where that one's gone. What else did we break? Oh, yeah, look at the nice scratches up here I saw. I wonder if that will come out from the boards. Looks like it. We're gonna get lucky there. And then, when we pulled up the dock, those scratches not coming out. Or those. We really should have rethought this, but it's all right. It's looking good. Look how beautiful that is out there. There is a fish out there. Look at this. Water has moved. All right, I got to get to fishing. Okay, that wasn't the one. This one. I really feel like this might be the one. See, I hold the rod at 10 o'clock. Just because the setting sun is west. If it were not setting in the west, I would probably hold it at 8 o'clock. A little underhanded throw, maybe that's the trick today. Maybe they want the underhanded throw versus the overhand. I mean, they're finicky, you know, you just never know until you try. I try all kinds of different things. Okay, that wasn't the one. You know what it might be? I guess you see I lost my skirt. Get it? Get it? I lost my skirt. Get it? Anyway, it's probably not it. I'm gonna go here's this side of the boat. I have no skirt, so I really do not feel lucky about this at all. I'm gonna have to switch it. Holy moly. That was a job, 3 trips, eh?
3 trips.
Okay, not a big deal. Now, we're gonna go home because Jeremiah's wife has like delicious food waiting.
Always. We got jalapeno poppers, we got enchiladas with rice, and salsa. You gotta have salsa on everything.
Right. All right, beautiful day on the lake if we were fishing. See some other guys over there enjoying themselves. Well, little do they know, before I leave this lake, I will catch probably the biggest fish in it.
23 inches.
23 inches.
And that's measuring from the rear fins forward.
Right. And we know this because we just talked to a guy that said he caught one in here and he released it. 23 inches. Okay.